Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Here are the step-by-step instructions for removing your information from phonenumbers.org. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Go to phonenumbers.org website, scroll to the bottom of the page, and click on Do Not Sell or Share My Personal Information. Enter your name, email address, the phone number you want to remove, along with a brief reason for opting out. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Submit. A notification will appear confirming your opt-out request. Your information will be removed from their site. Congratulations on opting out of phonenumbers.org. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.